Here's what you need to know about the VSC light on your car. In order to correct your vehicle's course and avoid an accident, the VSC system will instantly cut engine power to some wheels when it detects that your vehicle is losing traction. The importance of fixing your VSC system as soon as you notice a VSC light on your dashboard is due to the fact that VSC significantly reduces the likelihood of accidents in foggy, rainy, and snowy weather conditions. Well, in this video, we'll get to talk about the VSC light. That said, the following questions will be discussed. 1. What is the VSC system? 2. Which car models incorporate the VSC system? 3. What does the VSC light mean? 4. Can you drive with the VSC light on? 5. What causes the VSC light to come on? 6. How can you fix the VSC light? So, let's get some answers. 1. What is the VSC system? Technically, VSC is the abbreviation of Vehicle Stability Control. It is a stability control system used in Toyota and Lexus vehicles. This stability control system reduces or fully eliminates the power provided to your wheels, assisting your car in maintaining traction and control. Additionally, this is achieved by applying brake pressure automatically to up to 3 wheels. The system's main objective is to keep your car traveling in the direction of its wheels. 2. Which car models incorporate the VSC system? Since the 2012 model year, all new automobiles manufactured in the US have been mandated by federal law to come standard with VSC, ESC, though the technology has been around in some form since the 1980s. It varies from traction control, which does not aim to enhance steering control but instead adjusts wheel spin to give improved traction. Here's a list of car models that incorporate the VSC system. 1. Toyota Camry. 2. Lexus RX 400H. 3. Toyota Avensis. 4. Lexus IS 250. 5. Toyota Verso. 6. Lexus IS 220D. 7. Toyota Sienna. 3. What does the VSC light mean? When the VSC light, or Check VSC System, message appears on the dashboard, there's a traction-related problem present in the vehicle. Anytime the light is illuminated, there's also an issue with either the VSC or the ABS system. Your Vehicle Stability Control (VSC) system is most likely operating properly if your Toyota VSC light flashes on briefly. However, if it continues to illuminate or if other warning lights on your dashboard come on, it's time to have your car checked. ABS and other control modules work with the VSC system. The traction control is entirely deactivated if you notice the VSC off warning light on your dashboard, and it will not function if you begin to lose control. A Check VSC System light message in place of the standard VSC light may appear on your dashboard if your Toyota or Lexus is more recent. If you inadvertently push the VSC button, the light will come on. This indicates that the VSC system is now off when you do it. However, the track off light may also turn on. 4. Can you drive with the VSC light on? While the VSC off light is on, it is safe to drive your Toyota, but we advise caution, especially in bad weather. 5. What causes the VSC light to come on? Here are the most common reasons why your VSC light comes on. 1. The VSC button was accidentally pressed. The majority of vehicle models with a VSC system also have a button to turn the system off. You should verify this again before drawing any conclusions because it's always possible that you accidentally pressed this button. But if you press the button, you'll probably get a VSC off light instead of the typical VSC warning light. 2. Engine problems. Issues with the engine are the most common cause of the VSC light to illuminate. This is especially true if your dashboard also displays a check engine light. Modern engines include a wide range of sensors, actuators, and other components that might cause a check light, which, if you drive a Toyota or Lexus, can also cause a VSC light. As a result, it won't be able to simply speculate about its origin. There will be a fault code stored in the engine control module when your dashboard's check engine and VSC lights come on. In order to determine what is triggering the warning lights, you must read this issue code. 3. Defective ABS sensor. Each wheel on your car has an ABS sensor that measures wheel speed. Other significant control modules, such as the ECM and TCM, as well as the ABS control module, make use of this data. These ABS sensors are vulnerable to failure because they are situated at the hubs of the wheel spindle, where they are frequently exposed to moisture, rust, and dirt. The VSC light will appear on your dashboard if there is an issue with an ABS sensor because the VSC system makes use of this data. Another possibility is that the ABS reluctor rings, which are used by the sensors to gauge speed, are having an issue. The sensors and the ABS control module may also have faulty wiring. The steering angle sensor is used by the ABS and VSC systems as well, and if it sends the incorrect signal to these control modules, the VSC light will illuminate. 4. Wiring issues. There are several electronics in modern cars, and wiring is required for each and every one of them. Additionally, because of this, wiring issues are becoming a pretty prevalent issue with contemporary vehicle models. Unfortunately, without the necessary expertise and understanding, wiring issues can be rather challenging to identify. So if you believe there is a wiring issue with your car after checking everything else, it could be a good idea to consult a professional. 6. How can you fix the VSC light? Here's how to fix or turn off the VSC light in a quick and simple way. 1. Make sure to come to a complete stop in a very secure area. Ideally, put the vehicle in park. 2. Locate the VSC button. Depending on the model year of the Toyota, the button will either be on the dashboard just above your knees or close to the gear stick. 3. Press and hold the VSC button for a few seconds. 4. Both the track off and VSC off indicator lights will turn on. Now, both systems are off. 5. Once again, press the VSC button. The systems have now been re-engaged and both lights will go off. The VSC light ought to go off as a result of the above process. However, if it persists, it is likely that there is an underlying problem with the vehicle that needs to be attended to. So it's recommended that you visit a certified mechanic shop. Frequently asked questions about VSC light. 1. What does it mean when the VSC light comes on? Technically, VSC stands for Vehicle Stability Control. Thanks to this system, a driver can better control skidding when swerving or turning abruptly on slippery surfaces. As soon as this system is turned on or engaged, the indicator light on the dashboard will flash. 2. Can I drive with VSC light on? Although it is safe to drive your Toyota even with the VSC off light on, we advise caution, especially in inclement weather. 3. What does VSC mean in Toyota? VSC stands for Vehicle Stability Control, as many of you are probably well aware. When driving on slick roads or in other adverse weather or road conditions, VSC and traction control, track, work together to keep your car stabilized. 4. Where is the VSC button located? VSC off button is located close to your gear shift. So, that's the VSC light explained. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more lessons, and consider sharing it with friends. Safe travels, and see you next time.